Hey, I have been struggling with my studies. It's so challenging. Yeah, me too. I wish there was an easier way. As a parent, I've seen our kids face education struggles. That's why I discovered HeyGuru. HeyGuru goes beyond tutoring. It's an educational companion, turning learning into a personalised adventure that shapes futures. Our one-on-one tutoring builds a strong foundation for success. Choose from maths, English, thinking skills, and mathematical reasoning. Flexible timings and freedom to choose the perfect educator. 360-degree feedback. Tailored assistance and excellence aligned with the Australian school curriculum. 1-hour tutoring sessions, worksheets and assessments ensure academic success. Specialising in opportunity class, Selective School and NAPLAN Practice Tests. HeyGuru has it covered. Join us on this journey. Empower your child with HeyGuru's online tutoring, where we mentor, inspire and shape futures. Visit our website, sign up today for a brighter tomorrow with HeyGuru. Together we build success. HeyGuru, your education companion.